In today's video, guys, I will be sharing to you, okay, or I will be talking about Lil Rockstar.io. So this is a new NFT project, and if you are a fan of this project, you know Lil Rockstar for quite some time now. I will be also giving 10 whitelist spots, okay, which is free mints, okay. So just comment down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents, and also support me on TikTok and on YouTube as well. So it is on my biography section on my YouTube channel. So let's just start right into it. Okay, so this Lil Rockstar collection is unique. Okay, and you'll be able to earn ROCC here just by having your own unique NFT, right? And let's just go forward into the white paper. Okay, so this is the white paper. So you will be getting an ROCC by staking your what do you call that, your NFT. Okay, so as you can see here, there's 100,000 pieces of NFTs, and the more NFTs that are being minted, the prices of it are just going to get higher and higher and higher. And as you can see at this portion, so one NFT costs 99 Matic, right? So if it costs 99 Matic, okay, and for you to be able to get another NFT, let's say it surpasses a collection size of 10,000, okay, you need to pay it on ROCC. So this is pretty much unique because you won't be able to buy this first 10,000 collections anymore. If you want to buy more, okay, you can buy it directly via ROCC. So this is kind of like promoting or showing a burning mechanism of the tokens, because of course if you're earning the tokens, what is its use case? Okay, so its use case is to buy more NFTs, wherein you'll be able to make more ROCC in return as well. And of course, if ROCC get valuable in the future as well, then we are all going to benefit, because I also have like 5 NFTs of this NFT. All right, so of course, just like any NFT projects, it has a lore, it has a story. But of course, what makes it unique at Lil Rockstar is that this is all of it are unique, and you'll be able to earn ROCC where you can buy more NFTs via your ROCC. Okay, so of course, this is one of the benefits. It increases the value possibly. Okay, I'm just talking this one for the sake of transparency, right? And if there's a lot of like ROCC that are being burned, then that results to a higher price each of the ROCC as well. And you'll be able to use it on Metaverse as being mentioned at this portion. So you'll be able to wear a 3D Lil Rockstar and join Lil Rockstar City, so a private land on Metaverse. So if you have this one, then welcome to the club, bro. Welcome to the club. So this is the career. This, you can also like say it as a roadmap. Okay, this is the roadmap of it. So at the chorus, at the verse, they are minting, and then on the pre-chorus, they are going to audit their report, pre-sale, and also OpenSea listing. So it will be on OpenSea. Excuse me. So what do we actually have at this portion right now? We have the website. Okay, in the team, the people are not that known, because they are not doxed, but that's not a problem. Well, there's not much, there's no audit yet, so of course there are some items that we need to look forward into. Okay, so they need to provide more information as well, and because there's a lot of like rugs in the space recently. I'm not saying that this is part of it, but of course every NFT project that are going to like be more transparent to these holders, to these investors, to these buyers of the NFT, will also boost their what they call that, their trust, and also that will make them support more the project as well. All right, so there are also some lands that are going to be opened into this portion. So as you can see here, if your land has stake, you will also generate ROCC every day now. So receive the accumulated ROCC, then all stars are evenly rewarded 10% of the top as royalty from superstars and rock stars. All right, so here are some of the rarities, I guess, of Lil Rockstar, right? So let's just go back into the lands portion again. So if you got a land, okay, that has a land type of concert, you'll be able to generate 100,000 ROCC as being seen here, right? So there are some what they call that, there are some rarities involved at this portion. All right, so if you got a Lil All-Star, of course, this is pretty much unique. You'll be able to get 10% rent on all ROCC claim from land. So every single land that they have in here, you will get a 10% commissions. All right. So claim. Keep in mind that your land's accumulated ROCC can be stolen by Lil Superstar when you try to claim, and these are the rates. All right. So there are still some like thrill in here, I would say, and I think they are positioning themselves to have like an NFT, much more like a gamified experience for those people, because I mean it's pretty much boring these days that you don't see, or we do not be able to utilize these NFTs that much, and also the rewards. And at least at this portion, they're promoting some sort of like risk to earn, I guess, risk to earn NFT. So of course, risk to earn might not be sounds good at your ears, but I think in any like business, or in any aspects, or in any NFT project, or in any DeFi or crypto projects that you are going to join, there are still risks. Okay, I repeat, there are still risks. So I guess you have to deal with it, or you're just going to pass on it. That's pretty much how simple it is, guys. So I hope you learned something from me today. Of course, this is the Discord app, okay, that has been launched. So as you can see here, you can just continue. Let me just switch off, or switch my wait, let me just switch it. Alright, so this is the Discord server. So you can just join the rules, and there are a lot of people, so do not forget to verify your account as well. There are a lot of announcements in here, so do not, make sure to what they call that, make sure to check out everything inside this project. And there's pretty much tons of people that are whitelisted. There's even 1,000 people online, bro. So they are not bot accounts. That's pretty much good and awesome as well. And there are a lot of things that are going on in here. If you have any questions, do not forget to drop it into the general section. I'm not sure if you are seeing it, okay, but this is the full Discord of Lil Rockstars. All right, so let's now go back. Okay, so this is for Lil Rockstar. If you have any questions, like maybe you got what they call that, confused, or what is it actually. So there's some simple explanations at this portion, and also there are some social networks that you can follow them, like Twitter. Okay, so let me just pull out the Twitter. I think I saw it before. Twitter. So this is the Twitter account of Lil Rockstar. So they've joined, okay, since January 2022, and there are a giveaway. Okay, a lucky winner will receive $500. So make sure to check this one out before while it lasts as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every single day, and see you on the next video.